This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by research scientist Doug Feenstra. To perform this demonstration, you will need Amway Home SA8 All Fabric Bleach, 1 glass bowl or jar, hot water, a 10 cm by 10 cm swatch of color or printed cotton fabric, a bottle of grape juice or red wine, and a small spoon. The purpose of this demonstration is to show that SA8 All Fabric Bleach is powerful enough to remove tough grape stains from clothing, but is gentle enough not to fade clothing dyes. First, spill a small spoonful of grape juice or red wine on the fabric swatch. Next, measure 1 liter of hot tap water to the glass jar. Add 1 small spoonful of SA8 All Fabric Bleach and stir until dissolved. Next, gently lower the stained cloth into the hot SA8 All Fabric Bleach solution. Within seconds, the purple stain will begin to disappear. After 5 minutes, the stain will be completely removed. Notice that the grape stain is gone while the colored portion of the cloth is intact. This demonstration shows that Amway Home SA8 All Fabric Bleach will remove tough stains like grape juice or red wine from colored cloths, but leaves the clothing dye untouched.